Another challenge in web design is positioning elements where you want them on the page. This can get a little complicated, and we'll get into more of the intricacies in later lessons. But for now, if all you want to do is wrap this text up to the right side of this image, or maybe move the image to the right so the text wraps up to the left, that can most easily be done by selecting the image, and then in the Properties Inspector, choosing Align Left or Align Right. So if I choose Align Left, you'll see that my text bumps right up to the right of the image. And I really mean it when I say it bumps right up to the right of the image. Now you may have seen this on the web, and if you have much graphic design sense, it's probably bothered you to see text so close to an image like that. Well, the default setting in HTML, when you align an image like this, is to put whatever's to the right up against the image. But if you select the image again, notice that the Properties Inspector changes to a number of different options specific to images. You see that alternate text again. By the way, that's a second chance to correct or change the alternate text if you ever want to. We've set the alignment to left, but these little options down here, V space and H space, that stands for vertical space and horizontal space. If you wanted to add a little space to the right of this, the simplest way to do that would be to add some horizontal space. So let's add 10 pixels of space. And as soon as I hit the Return or Enter key, or I click anywhere on the page, you'll see that the display changes and there's now 10 pixels of space between my image and my text. But I want you to notice something else. One of the limitations of horizontal and vertical space is that when you use horizontal space, you add the same amount of space on the right side as you do on the left side. So although I now have 10 pixels of space on the right, I also have 10 pixels of space on the left. A similar thing happens if you add vertical space. You'll get the same amount on the top and bottom. Most designers don't like this. We want our left-hand margin in a page like this to line up perfectly so that the H in happy and the left side of the image are in alignment with each other. The good news is that using cascading style sheets, which we'll get to later, you can precisely control space around an image, and you can add only the number of pixels of space you want to any one side, any two sides, or any three sides of an image like this. But for now, the quick and easy way to add a little bit of space is to use the H space or V space settings. And the quick and easy way to align an image is to choose Align Left or Align Right.